The man who bought the two doves and his strange act immediately thereafter left him with a distinct sense of uncanny, as though behind his departed customer there had lingered the musty smell of an abandoned haunted house. Mr. Purcell was a small, fussy man, red cheeks and a tight melon stomach. Large glasses magnified his eyes so as to give him the appearance of a wise and genial owl. He owned a pet shop. He sold cats and dogs and monkeys. He dealt in fish, food, and bird seed, prescribed remedies for ailing canaries, and displayed on his shelves long rows of ornate and gilded cages. He considered himself something of a professional man.
After this paragraph, it is a greeting start. So, beta, main character of the story is Mr. Purcell. Who's the main character here? Mr. Purcell. He's the main character and he's the owner of a pet shop. He's the owner of the pet shop, and Mr. Purcell did not believe in ghosts. Actually, he didn't believe in ghosts. He is just a scientific man, actually. But something happens in the story that he is now suspicious that ghosts exist. Okay? Now, nevertheless means same time, at the same time. Okay? Nevertheless means at the same time, the man who bought the two doves and his strange act immediately thereafter left him with a distinct sense of uncanny. No doubt he doesn't believe in ghosts, but something happened at the same time that he started believing in the supernatural powers. Uncanny means something unusual. Please underline the word uncanny. Uncanny means unusual. Okay. So, as though behind the departed customer, there had lingered the musty smell of an abandoned haunted house. अब जैसे वो कस्टमर उसकी शॉप से बाहर गया, after just taking two doves, there was one musty smell. Musty means very stale smell, जो खराब फूड में से स्मेल आती है. ठीक है? So musty means stale. So musty is stale. Lingered means just it spread in the shop. So one musty smell of abandoned haunted house. जैसे पुराने घरों में से smell आती है haunted house, the horror houses. So the same smell just spread in the whole room. Mr. Purcell was a small fussy man. Fussy man is the person who just complains continuously. He's a perfectionist maybe, so he complains each and every day. Fussy man who's never satisfied, he's having complaints always. So he's having red cheeks and a tight melon stomach. So his stomach is like a melon. बहुत ज़्यादा, he's a fat man. Okay, so large glasses magnified his eyes so as to give him appearance of wise and genial owl. Genial means friendly. So he was wearing one spectacles also, and he was looking an owl. ठीक है, owl की तरह लग रहा था. So next one is he owned a pet shop. He sold cats and dogs and monkeys. So these are the pets he used to sell. And after one page, I will ask you question from each and every line. And if you will not give answer, then yellow card. Always blue card नहीं मिलेगा, yellow भी मिल सकते हैं. So he used to sell cats, dogs, monkeys. He dealt in fish food also and bird seed also. So pets कौन से? Please speak up. Cats. And he also dealt in fish food and bird seed. He not only did that, he prescribed remedies. Prescribed means जैसे हमें डॉक्टर से prescription मिलती है. He used to suggest remedies. Remedies means treatment. So he used to suggest treatment for ailing canaries. Ailing means sick. ठीक है. So canaries kind of birds, I think so. So and displayed on his shelf long rows of ornate. Ornate means decorated. Ornate means decorated. He was having one shelf there, and he was having ornate and gilded cages. Gilded means again decorated with golden paper or maybe golden something. ठीक है. He considered himself something of a professional man. He thought himself that I'm not an ordinary man, I'm a professional man. Okay. So roll number 4, please, Akshara. Abgun is sitting here also. Okay. So,
A constant stir of movement pervaded his shop, whispered twitters, slee rustling squeals, cheeps, and sudden squeaks. Small feet scampered in frantic circles, frightened, bewildered, blindly seeking across the shelves, pulsed this endless flicker of life. But the customers who came in said, "Aren't they cute? Look at that little cage. They are sweet." And Mr. Purcell himself would smile and briskly rub his hands and emphatically shake his head.
So a constant stir of movement. Stir here means constant movements, light movements. So his shop was actually a well-known shop, and constantly people used to move in the shop just to look at the pets and the monkeys. So movement pervaded. Pervaded means exist. Okay, exist. So one movement, one type of movement always exists in his shop. Whispered twitters. Book dekhte hain. Whisper twitters. So twitters, you know that birds generally make sounds like twitters. So slow twitters sunte the birds ke. Okay. Sly rustling. So these are all the sounds. Beta. Rustling of leaves. Maybe you have heard. जब तूफान आता है, then we can hear the rustling of leaves. So similar sounds were coming from his shop. Squeals, cheeps, sudden squeaks. These are all the sounds. Then small feet scampered. Scampered means again movement of feet. Okay, movement of feet. Bache, please underline and write down the meaning side by side. You are writing? Okay. Small feet scampered in frantic circle. Frantic means ये small feet किसकी बात हो रही है? Birds की. So bird used to move in the cage, okay, in frantic circle, continuously ऐसे circle में घूमना, ठीक है? In anxiety or hurriedly. So frantic means in anxiety. वो टेंशन में घूमते थे कि पता नहीं कब उनका नंबर आ जाए और उनको कोई ले जाए, ठीक है? So in anxiety they used to move in the circles. Next one is bewildered. Some birds used to look very puzzled. Bewildered होता है puzzled, okay? Blindly, bewildered means puzzled. Puzzled. Blindly seeking and वो एक दूसरे के ऐसे रास्ता ढूंढ रहे होते थे केज में, ठीक है? Blindly. So across the shelves, this is the chapter. बेटे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे meanings हैं, but try to just find out the gist of the chapter. एक theme समझ लो बस अच्छे से, ठीक है? Word meanings will not come in exam. This is just for your knowledge. So across the shelves, pulse this endless flicker of life. Flicker of life क्या होता है? Anyone? Taking breathe, ठीक है? Taking breath. So breathe करना. So these birds were breathing in the cages. But the customers who came in said, "Aren't they cute? Look at that little cage. They are sweet." अब देखो birds तो इतनी anxiety में घूम रहे हैं और लोग आके क्या कहते हैं? They are very cute. They are very sweet. ठीक है? But they don't know the actual condition of the bird, that they are moving in anxiety and stress there. Okay? क्योंकि cage में रहते हैं तो obviously they are not happy there. And Mr. Purcell himself would smile and briskly rub his hands and empathetically shakes his head. So briskly means with energy. So Mr. जो Purcell है, he feels happy when people say that birds are very cute, and he empathetically, sensibly shakes his head. Okay, yes, they are cute. ठीक है? So he's sensible here. Yes. Briskly, with energy, beta, with energy. So please close your book. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly revise the page, then I'll ask you questions. Jyotin, you will get turn. I can ask you main जो मैंने लिखवाए हैं. Okay? टाइट मेलन स्टमक बेटा, जो कई बार शर्ट बहुत टाइट होती है मेलन स्टमक पे. टेक 1 minute and I'll ask you question. Dealt means it's a second form of deal. He used to deal with वो हाँ sell करता था. Yes. Which one? Gilded means decorated with golden something, golden color. Ailing, sick or not well. Gilded cages decorated with golden cages. Golden cages only. Canaries. Canaries birds होते हैं बेटा. Briskly with energy. Remedies treatment. Fussy means a person who's never satisfied. Raghav, head down करके सो जाओ. Head down करो. You were sleeping seriously. Flicker of life, taking, breathing. Jyotin, आपने क्या पूछा था बेटा? Fussy, a person who's never satisfied. Exist करनी, होनी कहीं पे. After giving answer. देवांग, आपकी बहुत complaints आ रही है बेटा. Every teacher complains कि देवांग बहुत बोलता है. And I will take permission from activity department. I'll change your name definitely from discipline monitor. If you yourself is not quiet, then how can you expect कि आपको देखे class quiet होगी? So let me start now, please. Close your books, everyone. Empathetically, sensibly. Have you closed your books? And आपके half of the test checked है? It was okay response. बस कुछ बच्चे personal pronoun लिखना भूल रहे थे बार. Ipsa, where is Ipsa? Karthik. Personal pronoun is important बेटा. Important होता है वो. Break में दे दो. All are equal, please. All are equal. चलिए, let's start now. Yes, बेटा उसने पूछा था आगे further लिखना है first person, second person. Let's start now. Jyotin. Very easy question. Who is the main character of the story? Mr. Purcell. Savya, what kind of man he is? Okay, what kind of man he is? He doesn't believe in ghosts or... Okay. Raghav, his appearance, Mr. Purcell, how he looks like. Yes. Okay, fine. Samarth. He used to sell which kind of species or organisms? Cat is there? Cats? Okay. I think birds also. Later on they have discussed. Okay, fine. Sit down. Next, please, Ravjot. Ravjot, when he used to wear spectacles, to which animal he has been compared? Wise and genial owl. Hanji beta. Akshara, what is the meaning of the word genial? Okay, time up. Friendly. Chehek. He prescribed remedies for whom? मैं पूछूंगी एग्जाम में नहीं पता बेटा. Sick birds. Can you name the specific bird? Canaries. Ailing is sick बेटा. Ailing का मतलब sick होता है. ठीक है? Next, please, Jasmine. He considered himself dash. Time up. A professional man. Jasween. Any 2 or 3 sounds which used to come from his shop. एक और बस. Ipsa, please add. Okay. Gorish, please tell me what kind of remarks people used to give when they saw the creatures in the room, in the shop.
Ma'am, when they saw the creatures, the person always become happy and but in reality the birds are annoyed and frustrated because they are in cages, and if someone is in cage, he always becomes frustrated.
Ipsa, no, you got turn. Kiski turn nahi aayi please. Madhav, what type of remarks people used to give when they used to see the creatures there? लोग बेटा creatures को देख के क्या क्या बोलते थे? Remarks. Vaibhav. They are so cute. They are very sweet also. Look at the little cage there. Okay. Now, who's the next one? Roll number 5. Amarjot. सारी क्लासेस से तो मैं इधर बैठ जाती हूँ. 1 by 1. सबसे पहले किसने पूछा था? कार्तिक, हरमीत, बिशप. Okay. If someone will ask, then tell them कि emergency है. ये लो, आ जाओ.
Each morning, when the routine of opening his shop was completed, it was the excuse me, ma'am. Proprietor's custom to perch on a high stool behind the counter, unfold his morning paper, and digest the day's news. As he read, he would smirk, frown, respectively purse his lips, unknowingly lift his eyebrows, nod in grave agreement. He read everything, even advice to the love loan and detailed column of advertisements.
So here, beta, each morning when the routine of opening his shop was completed, first of all, he used to come to his shop and he used to open the shop. After that, it was the proprietor's custom. So proprietor क्या होता है? Businessman. Please underline the word proprietor. It means businessman. So like all businessmen, it was a custom. What is the meaning of custom? Please raise your hand and let me know, please. What is custom? कुछ और? Yes. Okay. और explain थोड़ा सा. Custom बेटा, custom. Okay, kind of rules. Yes. बेटा दूसरा कस्टम कंप्यूटर वाला बोल दो. अभी रिसेस में प्लीज सिट डाउन. Now silence, please. Silence. Each morning when the routine of opening his shop was completed, it was proprietor, businessman, like the habit of the businessman, he used to perch on the high stool. जैसे आपने देखा होगा shops में, you might have seen businessmen, they just sit on the chair or one stool. So perch means rest here. What is the meaning of perch? Rest. So he used to sit on the stool and he used to read the newspaper daily. Now see, वो कैसे newspaper पढ़ता था? As he read, he would smirk. Smirk का meaning we have already discussed. Anyone? Dad and the cat and the tree. Smiling or laughing? Yes. So he used to laugh. Frown क्या होता है? Frown. Like your teachers do when they look at you. Look angrily. Look angrily. So sometimes he frown ऐसे eyebrow उठाना थोड़ा सा. Okay? Do you know how to frown? Yes. Madhav. Yes. अपनी बेटा please. Recess में. Harmeet. No. Now please don't come to me now, please. Should I start now, Madhav? Bas. He reflectively purrs his lips when we read newspaper or any news. When something touches your heart, you just purse your lips. आप अपने lips की movement थोड़ी करते हो just to express your feelings. Knowingly lift his eyebrows. So eyebrows तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा lift कर रहे हैं and in grave agreement. When he agree with someone seriously, then he always lifts his one eyebrow. He read everything, even advice to the lovelorn. Lovelorn is the person you might have. आपने किसने newspaper पढ़ी हुई है? Please tell me. Have you ever noted there is one column जिसमें there is advice for the lovers also. कि आप ऐसे करो, you will be happy. ठीक है? So he used to read those also. ठीक है? Now please don't comment. Don't comment. बहुत बच्चे कुछ commenting कर रहे हैं. Please don't do that. So, and detailed column of advertisement. He even used to read the advertisement also. Okay? Now clear this paragraph? Yes, ma'am. Roll number 6, please. Ananya? आपका roll number कितना बेटा? Then why are you asking? Okay.
It was a rough day. A strong wind blew against the high. It was a rough day. A strong wind blew against the high plate glass windows. Smoke filmed the wintry city, and the air was drew with a thick frost. Having completed his usual tasks, Mr. Purcell again mounted the high stool and unfolded his morning paper. He adjusted his glasses and glanced at the day's headlines, chirping and squeaking and vibrated all around him. Yet Mr. Purcell heard it no more than he would have heard the monotonous ticking of a familiar clock. There was a bell over the door that jingled whenever a customer entered. This morning,
1 minute. So it was a rough day. Now there is one day a strong wind blew against the high plate glass window. Now you can see the weather now. Okay, Devang, what happened? Smoke filled the wintry city. Filmed means covered. There was smoke all around. Okay, due to pollution maybe. Wintry city, there was winter there and fog was also there and smoke was also there. So air was gray with thick frost. Gray means you can see frost. देखिए आपने कभी भी. So that was the weather only. Having completed his usual task, Mr. Purcell again mounted the high stool. Now he has read the newspaper. He has done everything. Now he again, someone is speaking, please. He again rested on the high stool. He adjusted his glasses and glanced. Glanced means looked. To look at something. He glanced at the day's headlines. Chirping and squeaking and mewing, these are the pets. Okay? So chirping se pata chal raha hai, he's having birds also with him. So yet, yes, sound of birds. Mr. Purcell heard it no more than it would have heard monotonous tickling of familiar clock. और जब इनकी आवाज नहीं आ रही पेट्स की, then उसको किसकी आवाज आ रही है? The same sound of the clock. Maybe when you sleep at night, how many of you can hear the monotonous sound of the clock? चलती रहती है. Yes. There was not much information here. Still, you can close your books. I will try to ask you 2-3 questions only. Yes. Looked better, to look at something. Sahibpreet, you can go after Chitesh. So please close your books, or you want 1 minute? Okay, take 1 minute. And you have to speak very loudly here. Okay? Get ready. Lesson revise कर लो. Sahibpreet, revise. You will get turn. Now please close your books, everyone. Custom is happy. Proprietor means businessman. Jingle of bell, sound of bell. Okay, first question, Devang. Every day, what was his fixed habit that he used to do every day? Add something. Newspaper opened, obviously open the करेगा यार. जिसकी टर्न नहीं आई, honestly, please. Raghav, you got turn. Parth. Yes, he used to sit on the high stool. Okay. Next one. Sarang. What type of news he used to read from the newspaper? What type of news he used to read from the newspaper? Only students will come to you after just a minute. Yes. Okay. और बस न्यूज़पेपर खोलता, लव लॉन पढ़ता और बस. Sahibpreet, add. और he used to read everything. He even read the love note also and advertisement also. बेटा recess चलो जाओ. Go. Sit down. Next, this line, Jasmine. No question from here. He used to hear the sound, continuous sound of which thing? उसके अलावा, chirping के अलावा. Same sound every day. अरमान जल्दी आओ बेटा खत्म कर लो. And start solving this comprehension check also.
There was a bell over the door that jingled whenever a customer entered. This morning, however, for the first time, Mr. Puzzle could recall, it failed to ring. Simply, he glanced up and there was a stranger standing just inside the door, as if he had materialized out of thin air. The storekeeper slid off his stool from the first instant. He knew instinctively unreasonable that the man hated him, but out of habit, he rubbed his hand briskly together and smiled and nodded. Good morning, he beamed. What can I help? Can I do for you?
Silence, everyone, please. There was a bell over the door. So there was a doorbell and that jingled. Uski sound आई उसको whenever a customer entered. This morning, for the first time, Mr. Purcell could recall it failed to ring. First time in his life that the bell didn't ring in the morning. Actually, so many. Harmeet. हो गया? यहाँ तक?